Good morning, first standard. How are you? Today we will start the revision because on 15 July your test will be there. So we will start from chapter number 1 again about myself. Okay? So what had we learned? In our first chapter we learned about myself and I explained that time which word we use to introduce ourselves. So the words are I, me, my, mine and myself. Okay? So these 5 words we can use to introduce or give introduction about ourselves. Which are I, me, my, mine and myself. Okay? Understood? Okay, good. Now we will start to give our introduction, and with that I will write some spellings on board that you have to write 5 times and also learn. Okay? So the first chapter shows that we have to give our introduction. So first we will say that in which country we will live or we are living. So that is India. So I live in India. कहाँ रहते हो? भारत में, है ना? You are Indian. भारत में रहते हो ना आप? Yes, very nice. Now we will start from introducing ourselves. So first sentence will come. My name is. What is your name? That you have to write in this blank. Right? आपका नाम जो भी है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा. Right? Now second sentence is I am a dash. In bracket I will give you options boy or girl. यहाँ पे आप boy हो या girl हो that you have to write. For example, if here you write my name is Alia, so you have to write I am a girl. Like that, boys, if you are a boy, then you have to write here boy, boy. Okay? Very good. Then you have to write here I am dash years old. आप कितने साल के हो वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. For example, you are 7 years old or 6 years old. That you have to write in this blank. ठीक है? आप कितने years के हो वो आपको इस blank में लिखना है यहाँ. In third one blank. Right? Now fourth one. क्या आएगा fourth one? What is the fourth one? So my father's name. Is blank. आपको आपके पापा का नाम यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay? Then my mother's name is यहाँ पे आपको आपकी मम्मी के नाम की स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. You have to write your mother's name spelling here in this blank. I like to play बैट. यहाँ पे आपको जो भी खेलना पसंद हो, जैसे कि क्रिकेट है, लूडो है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रिकेट, लूडो एक्सेट्रा, इस तरीके से आपको लिखना है. इन दिस ब्लैंक, आपको जो भी खेलना पसंद हो, दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस ब्लैंक. ओके. 7th one, I like to eat most of child like to eat ice cream, so I write here ice cream. Okay, I like to eat ice cream. If you like other thing, you will write there that thing. My favorite color is, आपका जो भी फेवरेट हो वो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, उस कलर की स्पेलिंग. एंड आई लिव इन इंडिया. या तो आप यहाँ पे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, स्टडी इन एपी स्कूल. सो लाइक दिस वे यू हैव टू राइट दिस all again in your EVS pen notebook or homework notebook. You make separately that you have to write and make a practice for exam. And your test syllabus is chapter number 1 to 5 total, and the paper will come in MCQ form. MCQ form में ही आएंगे आपको पेपर. ठीक है. Now we will learn these spellings. Okay, so first one spelling is STUDY, study. Then second one COUNTRY, country. Third one spelling is school, SCHOOL, school. Then fourth one India. So what is the spelling of India? INDIA, India. Then fifth one spelling is Nepal. So what is the spelling of Nepal? NEP for parrot, AL, Nepal. Sixth one spelling is Sri Lanka. So SRI, Sri, LANKA, Lanka. Together spelling Sri Lanka. Seventh one spelling is Pakistan. So PAKISTAN, Pakistan. Eighth one spelling is father. So what is the spelling of father? FATHER, father. Ninth one spelling is mother. What is the spelling of mother? MOTHER, mother. Now 10th one spelling is tall. What is the spelling of tall? TALL, means tall. 11th one weigh. Weigh मतलब वजन. So what is the spelling of weigh? WEIGH, weigh. 12th one unique. UNIQUE, unique मतलब special, very special. 13th one fingerprint. FINGER, fingerprint. PRINT प्रिंट, फिंगरप्रिंट मतलब उंगलियों के निशान. 14th one born, BORN, born मतलब कि जन्म. 15th one birthday, BIRTHDAY. Birthday means the day when a person is born, right? 16th one speak, SPEAK, speak. 17th one surface, SURFACE, surface. 18th one world, WORLD. 19th one fingertip, fingertip means this point, FRINGER, finger, TIP, tip. हाथ की ये उंगली का ये टॉप जो है उसको फिंगर टिप बोलेंगे. Okay? Now I will speak the MCQs of chapter number 1. So, the day when a person is born is called his or her dash. The options are fingerprint, birthday, both A and B, and none of this. So, the option is B. Birthday. The day when a person is born is called his or her birthday. So, which is our country? So, India is my country. That you have to tick on India. The option will given to you. That time you have to tick that option. So, the India is our country. Okay. Now, if there is a question, what is your school's name? So, you have to tick on AB. The option will given to you in your test paper, right? So, you have to tick on that. So, you have to tick on AB. Okay. Now, we will learn more of chapter number 2 in our next video, but today I will send these spellings that you have to write at least 2 to 3 times each spelling and keep learning. Okay. And if you have a problem, just inform to your parents. They will point out your difficulty in notebook, your problem in notebook, and they will inform us. Okay. See ya, take care and be safe at your home.